foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is chole, but not the typical North Indian style. I have discovered a new style which also makes a beautiful flavorful chole. So let's start with the ingredients. Here is the step 1. I'm going to cook these ingredients in the pressure cooker. So this is 1 cup of garbanzo or chickpeas. I have soaked these garbanzo beans overnight in water, and next day morning they're gonna double up the quantity. 2 green cardamoms, 1 small cinnamon stick, and 6 to 7 cloves. We need 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So mix all these ingredients and added all these ingredients in a pressure cooker. Cooked it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I have run 4 whistles and simmered it for 10 minutes. And this is how they look. You can see this is totally cooked. Alright, so I've added half a cup of water in this mixture while grinding, and this is the smooth puree as you can see here. So now move on to the last step. In a big pan, I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and while my oil is turning hot, I'm going to mash this mixture a little bit. That's it. And now on, the next process is so easy. I'll show you. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes. Depends on how much gravy you need for this chole. You can add this gravy. So I'm adding about 2 big scoop of mixture, this puree. So once you saute this for 2 minutes, you see the oil is oozing out. And now time to add all these dry spices. I'll add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala or chole masala. There you go. I've added all 4 spices. Mix this well. Now time to add the cooked chole. There you go. I've added the chole mixture in the pan. Cook it nicely. Now I'm going to add some water and cover it for about 5 to 6 minutes. This is the time you can check salt, any spices you need. So test the mixture a little bit and check that out. Alright, so in about 5 minutes, let's see. Oh, look at this color. Beautiful. So time to add kasuri methi, my favorite. It enhances the taste of the chole really nicely. Mix this well. All chole were already cooked in the pressure cooker, so we don't have to cook it. And now time to add some coriander. just for that flavor. I'm going to save some for garnishing. So our chole curry is ready now. So did you see how easy that was? If you have the gravy which I showed you is ready, making chole or any gravy dish is so easy. So I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. You can have this chole with jeera rice, simple cooked rice, as well as the roti or paratha along with some onion or some salad on the side. So enjoy this recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for visiting Foodland, and thank you for watching my recipe. See you next time. Bye.